Hi everybody, I'm Kirsty Meakin from Nao Nails. In this video, I'm going to show you some fantabulous, which means fantastic, and I don't know, I just make these words up. But anyway, these powders are absolutely gorgeous. They're brand new, and everybody's been asking for a video demonstrating how they work. So let's get started. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to work from the lightest shade to the darkest shade. So the lightest shade that we have in our new collection of nude powders is Perfect Blush. I'm going to show you what they like on this wheel. It's really marvellous, it is. It's really marvellous. Fantabulously really marvellous. Are you huffing because my jokes are really rubbish?
Yes.
Okay, fine. It's fine. It's fine. What I'm going to do is I might show you from the underside actually. I'm going to flip this over like this and show you what the colour is like. So I'm going to fill this nail. Then when we flip it over, it will have a shiny surface.
Ah, so you don't have to top coat.
Yeah.
How clever.
There you are. It's a beautiful colour. Anybody with a fair skin tone, that's going to be perfect for. So you will need Perfect Blush for somebody who's got a pale complexion. It would suit me. But I like to wear fake tan. So I would probably go maybe for this one. Now this one's called Rose Glow. So it is a warmer powder. So I'll show you what this one's like. So the pickup is really nice. Releases from the brush really nice as well. Really easy to manipulate, these powders are as well. You can use them with high speed and max adhesion and the medium speed. So all the liquids that we do, these powders can work really well with them. So you can see that that's a warmer tone. Than this one. Let's go with my favourite at the minute. Well, I have two favourites. I have this one and then I'll show you the other one in a minute. So we've got Caramel Dream. Personally, I think this powder sets up a little bit quicker than the other powders. It is really pigmented. It's a gorgeous nude colour. It's perfect even on its own. It's a gorgeous nude. Pop that in. If you want a product that really doesn't move until you give it some kind of pressure, this is the perfect powder for you. So you can see the difference between those three. You know, there is a variety there. I do love this colour. It is a beautiful nude. It's nice with a matte top coat on top as well. It's beautiful. And then we've got my next favourite, which is on this hand at the minute, which is Flawless. So you can see it's definitely a warmer tone. So you can see that's a lot warmer than the rest. Very, very nice colour. Now, if any of you have seen the videos we did with Nancy, this is the colour that I used on it. It's absolutely beautiful. So it's gorgeous for a darker skin tone. This one's Tawny Rose. This can be used as a full coverage on a nail, but also it's nice when it's applied really thin. I'll show you what it's like when it's really thin on the nail that's next to it. So you can see that's a darker tone. Now if I apply this really thin,
just come downstage again.
So you're going to have it wetter and apply it really thin. It will give the nail plate a natural glow. Because it'll have some transparency to it. See the difference? So if it got the colour of a natural nail underneath, kind of like your skin tone, you can see that it gives a nice glow. It will be slightly transparent though. So if you want that transparent look, but you want something that's giving a little bit of warmth to your nail, you can use Tawny Rose really thin and it'll give that nice lift. It'll make it more flush, like it's flushed with blood. Not like red blood, but you know what I mean? Like rosy cheeks, rosy nail. So those 5 there are your nude. So they are the new nude collection. They're all very nice for all different reasons. So now I'm going to show you some other colours that we've had that are new. So we have Blank Slate, which I use a lot. I use that even more than Clear at the minute. And then we've got Lunar Blush and also Glass Rose. So I'm going to show you those as well. So Lunar Blush is a pinky white powder. Now on your screen it might just look white, but it is got a slight pink to it. So I'll pop it on this nail here so you can see what it's like. See, the pickup is really nice. Comes off your brush really nice as well. So if you're doing a natural nail, this is perfect for the free edge colour if you want it to look natural. So for those ladies that you have come to you for nails that shouldn't really have nails on, this is perfect. So you can see it's a soft white. It's not perfectly white. So if I show you mega white compared to it, I'll show you a little bead of it. pop it there. You see the difference? This is very white. This is a very soft, natural colour. Blank Slate, which I absolutely love. I love it to build out the nail. I love it also for ombres. It's the perfect colour to create an ombre. I'm going to show you what this is like. So this will be transparent, but it has like a ghosting effect because it's cloudy. It's great for when you're doing an ombre because it creates that blend for you. Oh, I've encapsulated a hair.
What?
I've encapsulated a bit of fluff
Oh.
inside. Oh no. And then last but not least, I use this quite a lot as well at the minute because it's transparent and because of how it moves. It self-levels so nicely. This one's called Glass Rose. So this is a transparent pink. So watch this when you put it down. How it self-levels. Look at that self-leveling. And it's so easy to move around. Look, it doesn't move anywhere. So it'll only go where you push it. So it'll self-level and then you can move it around and it will not go anywhere. It dries a little bit faster than the clear as well. But it gives you a transparent pink. Why are they reminding me of teeth?
It is slightly, yeah.
You know, like you get that chart when you have your teeth whitened and you have to match up what you are and then you have them whitened and it says if you've gone so many shades brighter. It's reminding me of that.
Ooh, could you imagine going to the Tony Rose? Ooh.
Tony Rose teeth. Oh, nice. Lovely. So there you are. I know you've been crying out for a video showing you all the new colours so you can pick them, because I know people think, I don't trust that image on the website. I need to see it. I need to see it for real life on a video. Please do a video. So we have done you a video just for you. I'm going to line these up now so you can tell you exactly what they are. So we've got here Glass Rose. Then we have Blank Slate. And we have Lunar Blush. And then we have Perfect Blush, which is that one. Then we've got Rose Glow, which is this one here. Caramel Dream. I love it. I absolutely love it. It's really, really good for doing 3D roses with as well. And then we've got Flawless, which is beautiful as well. And then Tawny Rose, which is your darkest colour. So these colours aren't replacing warm beige, soft beige, natural beige. They're not replacing any of those colours. They are an addition so you have more variety. So get them while you can. I say while you can. They have a lot in stock. This video is purely for educational reasons. No fun will be had in this video.
Shouldn't you have done that at the start?
Yeah. So yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it helps you to choose whatever natural beige or colour you want. That nude collection, I'm going to do that again. So yeah, guys, I hope you've enjoyed that video. Hope it helps you choose the nude powder that's right for you or right for your clients. Or have the whole collection, why don't you? Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. The only reason we can do these beautiful videos for you is because you subscribe. And keep watching, because we need you. I need you in my life, yes? I am begging. I'm not beyond begging. I'm not above begging. I'm begging. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you. I love you. Bye-bye. That was my tummy.
Are you hungry?
I'm so hungry.
I know a few people with Tony Rose teeth.
Oh, yeah. I think I'd like to be the Luna, but then I'd like to go to Mega White.
See in the dark.
Yeah, Simon Cowell style.
Oh God.
Simon Cowell style.